Hi, I'm Ellen, Head of Student Recruitment at BSBI. I'm here to guide you through the essential steps for applying for a student visa to study in our campus in the beautiful city of Barcelona. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your visa needs. If you are from a non-EU country, you will need to obtain a Type D student visa from your nearest Spanish embassy or consulate before leaving for Spain. For EU students, the process is easier. You won't need a visa, but make sure you have a valid passport or European ID. Step 2. Gather and submit your documents. In order to apply for a student visa, you will need to make sure you have all of the following documents: a valid passport or recognized travel document, visa application forms, 2 recent passport photos, letter of acceptance, receipt of course fee payment, proof of sufficient funds, proof of private health insurance, medical certificate, criminal record certificate. You will need to make sure all of your documents are either in Spanish or translated by a certified translator. Step 3. Apply for TIE, post-arrival, non-EU students. As a non-EU student, you must visit a local police station within 30 days of arriving in Spain to apply for your TIE. You will need to request an appointment online, complete the EAC 17 and 790 forms, present your original letter of acceptance, passport, and photocopies of key passport pages. Provide a copy of your medical insurance and proof of residence. Pay the fee of 16.08 euros. You will receive a temporary TIE number and you will pick up your card a month later. Step 4. Register for NIE. This is for EU students. If you are a EU student staying for more than 3 months, register at the Central Registry Office for foreigners to get your NIE. You will need the EAC 18 application form, passport or ID card, proof of enrollment, European health insurance card or private insurance policy, proof of financial resources. Step 5. Apply for Empadronamiento to complete your registration. Obtain a Certificado de Empadronamiento, which register your local residence. Get a proof of residence letter from your accommodation and visit the local city hall with your passport and visa. Studying in Barcelona can be an unforgettable experience. Ready to start your journey? Follow these steps, and soon you will be enjoying the vibrant culture of this beautiful city. We can't wait to welcome you.